Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have the Speck Presidio Perfect-Clear case here for the Samsung Galaxy S24. They do make this for the Plus and Ultra, so I will be sure to put them down in the description. So if you're interested, follow those links. They are my affiliate links. I would appreciate it. So as far as the case goes here we go. Here is the actual packaging. So Speck branding on the sides, Speck branding on the sides there. Clear open area here so you can actually see the case. It does say Samsung Galaxy S24 here. 13 feet of drop protection, clear guarantee, and microban, so that's going to be able to inhibit the growth of bacteria. And as we flip it over to the back, you'll be able to see there some information about the wireless charging capabilities, drop protection once again, all that fun stuff. So the way to get it out is you pull that arrow down and this reveals the case, and then you just basically pull it out there. So let me put this to the side here, and voila, there is the case. And as you can see guys, very crystal clear. So if we flip it over, one thing that you'll notice is that it does have reinforced bumpers in the corners. So as you can see, you'll be able to have some pretty decent drop protection. Obviously it says it's 13 feet. So that is nothing to sniff at. Or is that the saying? Snuff at? I don't know. But there we go, guys. There is the case installed. And I gotta say, as far as a clear case goes, it's pretty nice, but it is very clear. And it's also very clear and kind of the same materials completely around the actual case. So sometimes I appreciate a more gummier side, so that way it's a little bit grippier. But as you can see here, it is very clear. You got a clear Speck branded logo there. You can see the Samsung logo shining perfectly through. As far as the camera bump protection goes, that is the design look that they decided to go with. So it looks very similar to the Presidio 2 grip cutout, and honestly I think all of the Speck case cutouts. So it has that circular pill shaped cutout with that extension around the flash, but the lenses are recessed in nicely, so you're getting some pretty decent lens protection there. Now that we have it up this close and personal to the side, you can see that we do have some nice clear siding here. You can even see the antenna bands there for the 5G. We have some really nice clear raised buttons here, so power button and our volume up and down. And then as we move up to the top, you can see one kind of that reinforced corner there like I was talking about. We do have a circular cutout there in a pill-shaped design for the actual microphone cutouts there. And then you can see the antenna band there. Moving it to the side here, big old clear area, but we do get some Speck branding there on the sides, which is kind of nice. So it's very clear and simple, kind of etched in. And then if we look at the bottom here, you're going to see cutout for the speaker and the USB-C charging port and our mic, and you can see the SIM card tray there as well. So very, very clear. Now let's flip it over to the front here, and as we're looking at the front, you can see that we do have really nice clear raised lip action going around the whole entire front of the phone. So really, really good screen protection. If we look at it from the top-down view here, you can see it is fairly slim considering, you know, that 13 feet drop protection there. But that's the look there. So pretty simple, and it is also tempered glass friendly. So I do have a complete full screen one installed. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test here. So we'll start with the face down test, and it's not really any wobbling really. It's just kind of moving. This little board that I'm reviewing on does have a little shake, but nothing too crazy. And the back down, there is a little shaking going on. It's really not the board, it's actually the case itself. So tiny shake, nothing too crazy. So next let's do the clicky button test. Let's start with that power button first. Volume up and down. So very, very clicky buttons, so that's awesome. So now let's go ahead and test out the Qi wireless charging capabilities. So I have my Qi wireless charger here, so let's slap it on, and as you can see, we are getting some wireless charging going on there. So we do definitely have the ability to do wireless charging. Now the only downside is that it's obviously going to just be a slip and slide and mess. So if you do have a charging pad or something that you can lay it on, then you're good to go. But as you can see, guys, very clear here. So you can definitely do all the other things that you can do with a case on. So, you know, wireless pay, contactless payments, whatever, you know, sharing your information, or heck, even, you know, doing reverse power share if you wanted to in a pinch. So as far as everything goes, guys, that's it. It's a very simple case. So there's nothing really to get lost in the weeds on. One thing I will say is just right off the bat, fingerprints aren't going to be an issue, but smudging can. So I don't know if you can already see, but there's smudging already going on. But also another thing is with clear cases like this, it really does show everything. So it's not like it's smudging with it up against the phone, but what I mean by that are like no watermarks, but the biggest thing is like little fuzzies and lint and stuff like that that you can already see in this short time frame that I've had just with my time with the phone or the case on the phone, excuse me. So yeah, I mean, so that's one thing that plagues clear cases. I would have liked to seen this maybe be like more of like a frosted back. That would have been kind of cool. And then also maybe a little bit gummier sides, because I could see this being kind of a slippery phone case. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely fairly slippery, so not the grippiest of them all, but you know, is what it is. Maybe even added some little grippy patterns or something on the back. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.